I'm Bram Frank. I'm from Florida. I'm originally from New England. I'm a good Connecticut Yankee and a Green Mountain boy because I'm in Vermont. My system is CSSD SC, which is Common Sense Self-Defense Street Combat.
What also drives you? Because you know lineage. When automatically when people talk about lineage right away, they think about it's the past, but lineage is also forward.
Yes,
Like you're leaving it to Mish, to 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 your daughter, to Peter, right? They're your lineage too.
yeah,
They're the ones going to push this forward to anybody else. And then, so now you're trying to think, did I leave my people enough stuff?
yes,
So that I'm, you know, not that you're trying to immortalize yourself, but you want to put good back
yes.
out into the world.
Absolutely,
Put
yeah.
good back into the world. When this world is full of negative things, somebody has
That's
to
a
push
push it.
against the darkness.
Absolutely.
Right.
And I'm a very strong believer in the Constitution, the Constitutional Republic. I believe in the Bill of Rights. I'm an old-fashioned defender
Right.
of it.
Right. Right.
And people go, you can't be that old-fashioned. That's why I started talking about what Algernon Black, who Algernon was head of the most humane group of Reformed Jews.
Right.
And he was like my mom's other dad.
Right.
So I grew up because my great-grandfather was a rabbi who told me being a human being, a good ethical being, is what good Jews do. And I had that drilled in me that when they got rid of all the religious part down to we're the ethical society and the ethical people,
Right.
that Algernon at his house, our house every Sunday go, I need you to think about what you give back.
Right.
You have to be a better person than the scumballs.
Right.
You can't. And it took me a long time to go, vengeance is not only a dish best served cold, it's better just keep it in your memory
Right.
and not actually do it because you don't want to waste the energy, as you said, on negativity. And so I try it with the things I create
Right.
to make good things. I make tools.
Right.
People go, do you teach knife fighting? No. Well, I don't make fighting knives. I make edge tools,
Right.
like the rest of mankind. My tool, all you've seen, my tools actually do jobs and
Yeah.
work. Can I do it for self-defense? Yes.
So can
Are
it
they
harm?
self-defense response? Yeah,
Right.
tools, absolutely. But I make working tools,
Right.
and I want to help people.
Right.
So that's part of my ongoing legacy
Right.
and what, and again, as we said, keeps me up at night. And what I want to strive for is, I want to know I helped. I
Right.
want to know when I pass this existence that what I did lives on. That's my sense of immortality, because it lives on my knives and my training and the image
people
of brand, the
you've
people I've
trained,
trained, but that I've actually brought good into the life and trained others that they need to be good people.
too, so that when you leave this world, it's a little bit better than when
Yes,
you found
yes.
it. Wonderful. Well, thank you, Mr. Frank. I'm very blessed and very honored. You know that I consider you family for many years now,
Yes.
and I'm just really honored to really just kind of get to know the person.
Thank you.
I mean, the martial artist is a very big part of you, but just to know the person, and I think the person, or the overall person, is a wonderful guy.
Thank you.
Mr. Frank.
Thank you, Francis. I'm keeping you.